show my slime because this is part 2. I did not know I did not have enough space. I thought I did, but let's go on to the slime. So, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Who gets to pick it first? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 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 I win, so I'll get the part first. So I choose this pink slime. This is pink slime. It's sparkly with pink sparkles. There's a fluff ball in it. Squishy. And it has another fluff ball. More fluff balls. It's squishy. Actually, it's pokey, which is cool. Not too stretchy. Cannot make bubbles or cannot make like cool, like super noises. And this is what I like about this one. So that's that slime. Lexi, show your slime.
This is orange and it got a donut in it
And ice cream.
and a ice cream. And it has glitter in it and it does not make bubbles or
Make good noises, except
make
it kind
good
of
noises.
pokes a little bit. Kind of like the one I just did. And probably going to be the same as the one I'm going to do next. So, my turn. So, in this slime, I have this dark purple. It's super dark purple. It is so squishy and smooth. I love it. It's kind of stretchy. It pokes well. Cannot make bubbles or good sounds except for the poke. I love the poke. I love the poke about this one. And this is why I like
What are
that.
these? In here?
Little diamonds. Okay, so her turn.
This is silver with
White sparkles
white sparkles and it
silver
has
little balls.
silver little balls, and it does not make bubbles or make good sounds, and it pokes a little bit and it stretches a little bit.
Alright,
So it's Lanai's turn.
I'm back, and I have some yellow slime. This is my yellow slime. It's actually stretchier than any of the other slimes, but it kind of does rip, and
Ooh, this one.
it's kind of pokey, not the best as the dark purple, and it cannot make bubbles or make too good of a sound. So that's what I like about this slime.
And this one is pink, and it have glitter in it. It does not poke that good or stretch that good.
What kind of glittery stuff does it have in it? Colors? I'd say like almost all the colors: green, red, pink, and stuff. So let's put that back. So it's my turn. I have this poop slime. It's not the best. It's my least favorite. A little bit, but we'll go ahead and open it. So this is the poop slime. I don't like it much. It's not even pokey. It only makes barely even any sounds. It does not stretch at all. Not squishy as usual. It just feels like disgusting jello. And it's messy. And I don't know. But this is what this slime looks like. So let's put that back, and it's Lexi's turn.
This is white with blue sparkles.
It's clear.
And it
Clear with blue sparkle. It's not stretchy.
it's not stretchy.
It's kind of like this one, like Jello.
or not pokey.
Yeah, these two are the
And
same.
It don't make bubbles. And
Yeah.
it's
So we're gonna show you all our slimes and see which one was your favorite. So be right back. Okay, guys. So which one did you like best? So then a lot of the slimes, comment down below which one was your favorite. Good. Bye.